Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the poem Casa of 6th standard. Casa is the name of a boy. The poem Casa narrates the story of a real happening that occurred during the Battle of the Nile in 1798 between Britain and France. And this true story had happened when there was a war of Nile in 1798 between the Britain and the France. Casabiana was the son of French admiral who remained bravely at his post even after his father's ship had caught fire. Casabiana, he was the son of a French admiral, and when his father's ship had caught fire, he remained on the ship very bravely. The boy went down with the ship, an act of courage the English would never forget. And this showed the bravery act of the boy, that the boy with the fired ship went down. And this showed the very courageous and the bravery act of the boy, and the English would never forget it. So let's start this now. The boy stood in the burning deck. Deck means flat area of ship. Whence means from where. All but him had fled. Fled means ran. The flame that lit the battle's rack. Rack means ship body. Okay. Shone round him over the dead. Here the poet is saying that Casabiana was standing on the board of the ship which was on fire. He was standing alone, but all the other soldiers had left the ships. They had ran from there. The flame of fire rising on all the sides. Then flames were shining over the dead bodies of the soldiers, those who were killed in the war. Yet beautiful and bright he stood, as born to rule the storm, a creature of heroic blood, a proud though childlike form. He looked very handsome in the light of these flames. It seemed that he was born to govern. The govern means rule the storm. Though he was a very young age boy, he looked brave and proud to carry out all the commands of his father. It means he was very disciplined, that he always do the act according to his father's command. The flames told on he would not go without his father's words. And now the fire, it is increasing, but the boy, he would not go without his father words means without his father permission. The father, fan means unconscious in death below. His voice no longer heard. He called aloud, say father, say, if yet my task is done. And he don't want to go without his father permission. But the father, he was unconscious. He was faint and he was laying down. And his father was not able to listen his voice. And the boy was speaking again and again aloud, say father, say, if my work has done, if I can go from there. He knew not that the chieftain, his captain, lay unconscious of his son. And the boy, he did not know that his father is laying die, or he was unconscious. Speak, father, once again he cried, if I may yet be gone. So he did not know that his father is dead, or he was unconscious. The boy, he was asking again and again from his father, if may I yet be gone, that if my work is done, that may I yet be go from there. It means the boy, without his father permission, he didn't want to go from there.